Authorities reiterate their warning against colorum vehicles. They say a task force has been formed to go after unregistered and out-of-the-line vehicles. Again, here's Julius Desambron.
The Land Transportation Office and the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board are unrelenting in their campaign against colorum. Former Davao Regional Director and now LTO Chief Edgar Galvante made it clear that the Anti-Colorum Joint Task Force of both LTO and LTFRB is now very much in action.
Nangyayari na yun, nag-schedule kami ng kung kailan gagawin ito in a week. No? Kaya lang, siyempre, yung mga target nito, kung nalalaman nila kung kailan kami mag-operate, nakakapagtago sila. Kaya ito yung gagawin namin at random.
Under the anti-colorum campaign, the LTO is on the lookout for unregistered automobiles, while the LTFRB is watches out for the out-of-line vehicles and those without franchise. The new LTO chief is also appealing to all motorists to carry out discipline while on the road for their own safety. For this means no apprehension and no accidents.
Ang isang nakakasagabal sa ating pagbibiyahe yung hindi tayo marunong sumunod sa traffic regulation, yung disiplina sa pagbaba at pagsakay ng mga pasahero natin, lalo-lalo na dito sa mga public conveyances. No? Sana umpisahan natin to sa ating sarili. Hindi natin to kailangang iasa lang sa gobyerno para gawin yung pagbabago.
For PTV News, Julius Desambron.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.